Did you know that regular furnace tune-ups are not just about maintenance, but are essential for the efficiency and safety of your heating system? Hi, I'm Hunter from Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing. Our team of experienced technicians provides one of the most thorough furnace tune-ups available, ensuring you get exceptional value. Our detailed 30-point furnace tune-up is a testament to our commitment to keeping every aspect of your system running smoothly. We don't just do a quick checkup. We perform a comprehensive inspection, giving you peace of mind about the quality of our service. We begin with the thermostat, the control center of your HVAC system. It's crucial to make sure it's functioning correctly and communicating with your furnace, and we ensure it does just that. We then meticulously inspect your furnace, ensuring every component is in excellent condition. A key part of our tune-up is checking for gas leaks or cracks in your heat exchanger. A cracked heat exchanger can be extremely dangerous, allowing exhaust gases like carbon monoxide to seep into your home. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that can cause severe illness or even death if inhaled. Given the serious risks associated with carbon monoxide and gas leaks, we strongly recommend having a professional perform your furnace tune-up. In addition, we pay special attention to your evaporator coil, a crucial component that plays a vital role in removing heat and moisture from the air inside your home. By ensuring it's in top condition, we help your furnace operate more efficiently. Lastly, we inspect your ductwork to guarantee optimal airflow and address any blockages or leaks to enhance your system's performance. This ensures your heating system operates at its best, keeping your home cozy. Scheduling an annual furnace tune-up in the fall is crucial to ensure your system runs efficiently and safely throughout the winter. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected failures, prolongs the life of your furnace, and can save you money on energy costs. In fact, our service often pays for itself in energy savings. Don't wait for problems to arise. Schedule your furnace tune-up today and keep your home warm and secure all winter long.